Yeah, hi guys, good morning. So today we'll see the maintenance of a Pd1 certificate. Got it. So here basically we have two challenges. The challenge one is multiple choice. The challenge two is small group. Got it. So let's see one by one. The first one. So about the Salesforce certification, product the integrator of the certification. Okay, so total they given 5 questions. Let's see. So which SOQL keywords can be used to respect the object permissions of the running user for a query in the Apex code? Right. So which mode? Either the user mode or system mode. We have two types of modes is there, right? Right. So that is the user mode. You got it? So in the user mode, so we can run the user. Next, so where can an error message can be displayed by adding the custom error message element in a flow. So where we can add, so in a window on the record page or as a inline error on the specific field. So based on the situation, you can use the window or inline. Got it. So just you can make it as a C. So that is so based on the situation. Next, so why are the LWC if, LWC if else, and LWC else condition directives more efficient than legacy if true and if else directory? See here, earlier we have a if true and if else, but the recently the Salesforce, the Lightning, they released this LWC if or if else and else. Got it. So why? Hmm? So property getters are accessed only once per instance of the directory. No property gathers are accessed. The new directories are not more efficient than the legacy directories. So property gathers are accessed multiple times. Hmm? We'll see this. We'll see this here. The property gathers are accessed only one time per the instance of the directory. Right? So then the answer is A. Got it? Next. So which of the following can be used to iterate through the list or set in a loop? That is iteratable variable. Next, so which Apex feature can be used to customize the behavior of the list to sort method? Which one? Custom sort clause, custom sort interface, comparator interface, or sets comparator interface. Got it? See here. With the help of a comparator interface, we can do that. This step got a comparator interface, right? So now come here. So let's take this challenge. Okay. So the first challenge was completed. First challenge was completed. Got it. So next. So click on the next unit, challenge 2. See here, obviously they given one scenario. So let's see. Got it. So in this challenge 2, so first of all, we have to create a playground. We have to create a new playground. So come here. So just we can come here. Here we have a, so create a playground option is there. Click on that create a playground. You can provide any name here. So just I'm giving a PD1 maintenance. Click on create. Click on create. So it will take a couple of minutes, 2-3 minutes, right? So meanwhile, we'll see. So here, so get hands-on with the bind variables using the SOQL query, right? So update get contacts ID with the binds method of the query contact class. to locate the same contact that was selected in the get contact ID method. So using the bind variables maps to dynamically pass the bind variable, right? So here they already given the code. So here they already given a one class that is a query contact. So what we have to do? So we need to do modification. See here, so do not modify any code above this line, right? So from here to here, no need to do any modification, right? So from line number 13 onwards, so you can do line number 13 onwards, we can do. See here, so we created a new playground. Here we have a launch button is there. Na? Click on that launch button. Now go to settings and open the developer console. Open the developer console. And we need to create a class, right? So what was the class name? That is a query contact. Copy this. What was the class name? Query contact. Go to file, new Apex class. That is a query contact. Query contact. So simply copy this code, whatever the code they given, simply copy that code. Right? See here. So from here to here, no need to do any modification. Here to here, no need to do any modification. Got it. So, but line number 14 onwards, you can do. But line number 14 onwards, so you can do the modification. Right? Now, so they already created one method that is get contacts ID. Get contacts ID. So then, so which one we need to modify? Which one we need to modify? We need to modify get contact ID with binds, right? So we need to modify the second method. We need to modify the second method, right? So they used a try catch method. Done. Got it. So we need to modify this code. Right. So now I'm going to remove this part. Okay. So just I remove. So what we have to do? So first we need to write a query. First we need to write the query. Right. So see here. We got one error. What's that? Missing return statement, required return statement ID. Okay, so we'll write it later. Okay. So what we have to do? Select ID from select ID from contact, select ID from contact where last name, where last name like a last name. Got it? Next, and title, and the title like. What's the title like? Title, that's enough. And limit equals to 1. Limit equals to 1. Ends with a semicolon. Next, I want to store this information in a string. String, just you can make it name as a query. String query. Got it? So now, see here. Here, they given one word. See? So we return the query. Then the same contact that was selected in the get contact IDs method, right? So whatever the, see here, query here we return in the get contact. So we return the same query here, right? We return same query. So, but the thing is, so here they given the additional. So using bind variables, map to dynamically pass the bind variables, right? So now come here, here. Got it. I'm using the list of contacts, the list of contacts. You can provide any name here. The contacts equals to database database dot query with what's binds. Got it? So query with binds. Next, so where the data will be available? Here in this query. The query, comma, bind the variables, bind the variables. So what was the access level here you have to provide? What was the access level? Either user mode or system mode. That is a user mode. That is a user mode. Done. Got it. So when you want to execute this one, if in the case, right, if contacts, if contacts not equals to null, contacts not equals to null, or contacts are not empty, contacts are not empty. Got it? So in this situation only, right? So now, so we have to return the return statement. Contact UNTS contacts 0 dot ID. Done. Else what we have to do? Return null. Else return null. What happened? We got some errors. Save it. No errors. Got it. See here. See. So update get contact IDs with binds method of the contact query class to locate the same contact that was selected, right? So here, so we return the same query here. Here also same and here also same, right? If you want to copy this one from here, I will do that one also. See here, copy and paste here. No change. Everything will be same, right? So, but so we have to pass the values dynamically. Now, save it once again, right? So now you can go to check the challenge. So check the challenge to N 500 points. Click on this. See, successfully we completed this.